When k squared is equal to 8i, find the value of k. Let k is equal to a plus bi. Squaring on both sides. K squared is equal to a plus bi whole square is equal to a squared plus 2a bi plus b square. A squared plus 2a bi plus b square into I square. A squared plus 2a bi I squared value minus 1. Therefore, minus b square. K squared is equal to this. A squared minus b squared, that is a squared minus b squared plus 2abi is equal to k squared. The given question is k squared is equal to 8i. That is a squared minus b squared plus 2abi. Zero plus, we can add 0 plus. 0 plus 8i is 8i only, because a squared minus b squared is equal to 0. Real part. This is real part. 2abi is equal to 8i. This is imaginary part. Now, a squared minus b squared is equal to 0 and 2abi. 2ab is equal to 8. This is imaginary part. That is, therefore, b is equal to 8 by 2a, cross multiplication. 1 2s, 4 2s are 8. B is equal to 4 by a. Now substitute b is equal to 4 by a. Consider this as 1 here. A squared minus b squared is equal to 0. That is, a squared minus b is 4 by a whole square is equal to 0. A squared minus b squared formula is 1 time plus 1 time minus. Now a plus 4 by a is equal to 0, or a minus 4 by a is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to minus 4 by a. Here a is equal to plus 4 by a. A squared is equal to minus 4. Therefore, a is equal to root of minus 4. plus or minus root of minus 4. That is plus or minus root of minus 1 into 2. Root 4 is 2. That is plus or minus 2i. Because root minus 1 is I, plus or minus 2i. Here a squared is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to plus or minus root 4. That is plus or minus 2 only. When a is equal to plus or minus 2, 1 implies when a is equal to plus or minus 2, 1, that is b is equal to 1 implies, that is b is equal to 4 by a, 4 by plus or minus 2, 1 times 2 times, that is b is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, b is equal to plus or minus 2. That is a is plus or minus 2, b is also plus or minus 2. Therefore, a comma b is equal to plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 2. When a is equal to plus or minus 2i, when a is equal to plus or minus 2i, when a is equal to plus or minus, when a is equal to plus or minus 2i, b is equal to, that is 1 implies, that is b is equal to 4 by plus or minus 2i. One times 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. B is equal to plus or minus 2 by I into I by I is equal to plus or minus 2I by I squared value is minus 1. Therefore, B is also plus or minus 2I. Therefore, K is equal to A plus BI. K is equal to A plus by A plus BI. A is A comma B is when A comma B is plus or minus 2I. A comma B is equal to plus or minus, when A is plus or minus 2I, B is also plus or minus 2I. Therefore, K is equal to a plus bi is equal to a is plus or minus 2I plus bi. B is plus or minus 2I into this I. That is plus or minus 2I plus or minus I into I squared minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is plus or minus of minus 2. That is plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2 only. Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Anyhow, plus or minus only. K is equal to plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2. When AB plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2, in this case this is one set of solution. When A is equal to, when A comma B is equal to plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2, therefore K is equal to A plus BI. A is plus or minus 2, A is plus or minus 2 plus B. B is also plus or minus 2. B is also plus or minus 2 into I. That is plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2I. This is the solution. When A comma B is plus or minus 2, K is equal to plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2I. When A, B is plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2I, K is equal to plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2. That's all. These are the two solutions of this value of x, K. That is, the solution is K is equal to plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2 and plus or minus 2I. That is, these are the solutions of this equation. That is plus or minus 2I plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 2I. These are the solutions of this value, for this value K. For the given equation K squared is equal to 8I. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.